This is new. Okay, how does it feel, Teancum, to be on top of an elephant right now?
It's cool.
It's cool. This is super fun. Man, there's so many of them. Okay, this is our guy right here, working so hard. Ikaw, ito, record mo.
I already did.
Man, this is how it feels.
It's flapping weird.
Hey, is that kamote? It's Tio's favorite. Tio, there's your favorite, kamote. Oh, man, they have big poop. That's for sure.
Wow.
Hold on tight.
Oh, we're going to water.
I know.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Okay, big boy. You gotta be good. Oh man, okay. Okay. Oh man, we're about to go down. Oh. I don't know, why is this more intense than riding a roller coaster ride? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We did it. Oh man, there's a floating poop right there. It's huge. Look, they're floating.
Ew.
Oh. There's the floating poop.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness. I don't know, that was a little intense.